Please be ready for a dictation of Part 7 of Indian Railway Budget Speech 2016-17, which was delivered by Shri Suresh Prabhakar Prabhu on 25th February 2016. It is beginning from para 70 onwards. 5 seconds. Start. Indian Railways has historically made a distinction between operational and commercial halts. For the convenience of passengers, I propose to convert all operational halts into commercial halts. This will benefit passengers who were unable to earlier board or disembark certain trains from these halts. We have introduced Sarathi Seva in Konkan Railway to help the old and disabled passengers requiring Indian Railways assistance at stations. We will expand this service at many more stations. We will strengthen the existing services for enabling passengers to book battery-operated cars, porter services, etc. on a paid basis in addition to the existing pick-up and drop and wheelchair services. In pursuance of the objectives of the Accessible India campaign, we will ensure that all stations under redevelopment are accessible by Divyang. We will make efforts to provide at least one Divyang-friendly toilet at each platform in A1 class stations during the next financial year, and also ensure availability of wheelchairs in sufficient numbers at these stations. There is a continuous effort on our part to ensure safe and secure travel for our passengers, yet untoward incidents do occur. To minimize the financial loss to passengers from such events, we are working with insurance companies to offer optional travel insurance for rail journeys at the time of booking. Passengers transiting our network would be happy to have a place on the station premises for freshening up before moving on with their business for the day. We propose to commence hourly booking of retiring rooms instead of the existing minimum of 12 hours to fulfill this unmet need of passengers. Further, the retiring rooms will be handed over to IRCTC to ensure that these can be managed in a professional manner. We would like to mitigate the hardships that mothers undergo while traveling with their infants, and for this purpose, we will pilot availability of children's menu items on trains. Further, baby foods, hot milk, and hot water would be made available on stations, and changing boards for babies would be provided in train toilets. With a view to enhancing passenger comfort, we are planning to reimagine the design and layout of our coaches to ensure higher carrying capacity and provision of new amenities, including automatic door, barcode readers, vacuum toilets, water level indicators, accessible dustbins, ergonomic seating, improved aesthetics, vending machines, entertainment screens, LED lit boards for advertising, PA system, and more. These new specially modified aesthetic refreshing travel coaches would cater to emerging needs of our customers and also ensure lower unit cost of operations due to higher carrying capacity. Presently, we have different digital solutions for ticketing, grievance redressal, and other issues. We intend to integrate all such facilities into 2 mobile apps, one dealing with all ticketing issues and the other for receipt and redressal of complaints and suggestions related to all our services. Bhartiya Rail is persistently innovating to ensure responsiveness to customer requirements in all our actions. Towards this end, we are making arrangements for skilling our front-end staff and those we employ through our service providers. Further, the uniforms of all customer-facing roles will be refurbished to clearly distinguish them on our network. We will install information boards in trains enumerating the on-board services and also GPS-based digital displays inside coaches to provide real-time information regarding upcoming halts. These services would be provided through private sector engagement. Work is underway on the installation of a high-tech centralized network of 20,000 screens across 2,000 stations known as Rail Display Network. This will enable real-time flow of information to passengers and also unlock huge advertising potential. We intend to strengthen the organization at the stations with a view to ensuring better passenger amenities, vigilant and sensitive customer service, responsive grievance redressal, and superior commercial sense. All A1 class stations will be manned with duly empowered station directors, supported by cross-functional teams who will run the stations as excellence centers for customers. We will also make one person accountable for all facilities on the train. Last year, I had announced development of satellite terminals at a few locations. To take this to the next level and to have several more, I appeal to all states to come forward and partner with us in setting up more satellite terminals through PPP mode. In the interim, we plan to carry out detailed operational research on a pilot basis to identify short-term measures for improving rake turnaround to minimize delays at outer signals. Porters play a key role in making our journeys comfortable. We intend providing them with new uniforms and train them in soft skills in line with the evolving image of Indian Railways, adopting modern technology yet traditional in its ethos of treating passengers with respect. We will also explore methods of offering them group insurance facility. Henceforth, we will be happy to call them as Sahayak. Stop.